Hey Casey, my name is Afan and I'm from Seattle SEO and we spoke on the phone yesterday regarding this video. Basically in this video I'll show you the top 3 things you can do today to help bring in more clients. Now before we get into it, I know you're probably still on the edge of whether you need this or not, which I completely understand. But the world is digitalizing at a faster rate than ever seen before, so it is critical to know what you need to do to stay on top of your game. That's why I'm offering you a free attack plan of actual things you can do to maximize the success of your company. And like I said, it's completely free and doesn't constitute as some kind of agreement or anything between us. So by the end of this video, if you like it, feel free to send me a quick message of what you liked and we can set up a time to chat. If you, however, didn't like it or you feel as if you want to take the action yourself, that's perfectly fine. Because like I said, I'm just here to help you and I just want to let you know the areas you can improve so your company also succeeds. Let's dig right into it. The first place to improve is your word count on the homepage. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to rank with Google. I use a simple word counter to find out you guys have 629. Your top competitor, Tacoma Kitchen Remodel, similar name but different, is sitting at 1,192. Very beatable considering that they are also not performing at the most optimal position. Now, if we move over to the actual content of your site, we see that through Ahrefs, your top keywords, you have 35 top keywords, or you have 35 keywords, and your top keywords are Tacoma Kitchen Remodeling Tacoma WA or Washington, Kitchen Remodeling Tacoma, each hitting at 300, 350, and 250 volume. Very powerful keywords, but in total, your site is only ranking at 35 keywords. The other site, Kitchen Remodel Tacoma, has 67 words, and their top hitting words are Kitchen Remodel Tacoma, Kitchen Remodeling Tacoma WA, and Tacoma Kitchen Remodeling. Very similar words. Now, the great thing is, even though you guys have less keywords, you guys can take most of the keywords here since they are industry-wide keywords. So you can just use these keywords, and since you have a lot of word count just left to use up, you can expand the number of organic keywords in your company and rank higher in Google. Now, the benefit of keywords is that the volume rating actually displays how often customers or clients search those words. So if a website ranks well in one of these high-hitting words, there's high chances that your company will be on the top of their list when they search it up, and they will click into your site. Now, moving on to the second most important aspect, the Google Map Pack. Here's an example. Searching up kitchen remodelers in general, you see that there is a map right here and a couple of companies right here. Now this map pack shows the names, phone numbers, and locations of several businesses. It is critical to be on this map pack. Why? Think of a time when you're trying to find a nearby business for any reason. Coffee, restaurant, library. When you search up those terms, Google provides a map pack of nearby businesses that match your keywords, and most people end up clicking one of those companies rather than scrolling down, as it's more convenient. If your company lands the map pack, clients will instantly click into your site for any kitchen remodeling. How do you rank on it though? Citations. We use whitespark.ca, which costs around $30 to $70 a month, depending on your plan, and we see that your site has 7 citations right here. TCR Kitchen Remodeling Tacoma, 7 citations. Tacoma Kitchen Remodeling has 8. Perfect, very easy to beat, but as you can see on this map pack, they are not here. What we have to do is we have to find another company that is on the map pack, search them up via Whitespark, and see how many citations they have. You have to be able to beat them out by at least double. That way you can secure first. You're not trying to stay first, you're trying to secure the first position for as long as possible, hopefully indefinitely. Finally, let's cover the last topic of backlinks. Google doesn't rank based on keywords and content alone. Most of a site's power lies in how many other sites are linking to you, kind of like references. From Ahrefs, we see that you have 15 sites linking towards you, or 15 backlinks. So that there's still some link juice in there. Your competitor, however, has 458. Now, it may look a bit daunting, but it is important to realize that not all links are equal. For example, if you get a link from a kitchen cleaning company, which is an industry which is very closely tied up with the kitchen remodeling industry, it is worth a lot more than a link from a random pizza place. So sure, your numerical value will be less, but you'll be ranked up a lot higher. than somebody that's given it from a random pizza place, something that's completely disjoint from this industry. It's even worse when you got backlinks that are linked towards spam accounts. So what we have to do is similar to Whitespark, we can simply click into their backlinks, go through all these competitors' backlinks, and submit your company as well. Now, some of them we would like to avoid, such as scams. Some of them are useful, such as plaster restoration part 3. Seems like something that is very closely tied with remodeling and kitchens. So just to conclude, I'll give you a couple of hints at what to improve. Number 1, your homepage needs at least 1,500 words. Number 2, you need to boost your citations to at least 75 to 100 citations to stay way ahead of your competitors. And number 3, you need more relevant sites pointing at your site so Google sees you as the authority. And you can implement these tips today, you will be number 1 across Google. Now what? Well, you've gone through this information I gave you, and you can do it all by yourself, which is completely fine. However, if you want the most efficient and most effective option, you can work with Seattle SEO, and we will take care of all of this for you. You can call us at 425-532-3521. Once again, this is Afan from Seattle SEO, and I hope to hear from you again. Goodbye, and take care.